Yo, what's up, everybody? Dan Greer, Eclipse DOT, coming at you today from the pool in Miami, where I'm at, down here for a business conference, doing some growing and learning, lots of fun, enjoying every day of it. Actually, got a pretty sweet little bar set up here outside. Didn't even know it was here. I have to go buy me steak and grill tomorrow night or something. Just kidding. Kind of, maybe not. You never know. It is me. Anyways, today I'm coming to you to chat all about the 95 and the 5%. So, well, I'm not talking about the people here. I'm talking about your mind. I'm talking about your mindset. I'm talking about your brain. Did you know that 95% of the time 95% of the time you're on autopilot, and 95% of your tasks are done on autopilot? Think about it, right? Do you think about tying your shoes? Do you think about zipping up your jacket? Do you think about cleaning your glasses if you wear glasses and you're like me and you hate dirty glasses? Do you think about driving most of the time before you get behind the wheel? Do you think about changing oil in your car if you've done it a lot of times? Do you think about, you get my point, right? Like the tasks that you do regularly, you don't think about, right? You just go do them, okay? Now, 5% of the time, you're going to be running on non-autopilot. And what that means is 5% of the time, you're going to be focusing, and 5% of the tasks you do, you're going to be focusing on a lot more than just, like, you're going to have to focus to get good at it. Does that make sense? So, like, when you first started tying your shoes, were you good at it? No. Right? When you first started driving your car, were you good at it? No. I taught teenagers how to drive recently. Promise you, they're not good at it. Okay? But I think you get what I'm saying here. Okay? Not until you get good at a task, until you can get on autopilot, you're going to be on. Sorry, I'm lost. I'm looking for the right way to go here. You're going to be on that 5%. You're going to be having to pay attention to what you're doing. Just like that, right? If I was at home, I wouldn't have had to been like, man, which way do I go to get where I want to be? Right? I would just have turned the right direction, and I wouldn't be walking backwards to where I want to go and shoot this video in the dark. Okay? I'd be in street lights and stuff like that. So 5% of the time, you're going to have to focus a lot more on what you're doing. You know, marketing is very much the same way. Leadership is very much the same way. DOT compliance is very much the same way. When I first started, I really had to focus on like everything, everywhere, all the time. And now I'm like, just bound crap off, right? 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 I know, crazy. Some of it's even true. I'm just kidding. Most of it's true. All right. Well, just remember the 5% and the 95%, and that you got to focus all of your attention on that 5% until you get good at it. Okay? All right. Hope you guys learned something.